Hi guys, what's up? I'm Cy, I'm Bald Baker, and today we have Carrier's portable air conditioner. Let's break this baby open and I'll show you guys what's inside. We have two manuals, one for the air conditioner and one for the remote control. And now we have the adapters. This is the wall exhaust adapter, the unit adapter, the exhaust hose adapter, and the window slider adapter. And then we have the exhaust hose, window sliders A and B, the power cord buckle, foam seals, security brackets and screws, drain hose, and finally we have the remote control and some batteries. As you all may know, I'm a home baker, so I'm all about the numbers. I'm about measurements, I'm about precision. This bad boy is 467 by 765 by 397 millimeters. The room fit is 13 to 18 square meters. There's only one thing left to do, guys. Install!
Thank you so much, Cy, for passing on the Carrier portable AC. It is now my turn with this bad boy as we assemble our exhaust hose. Get your adapters. This is the window slider adapter. Yes, you're going to attach that. Very simple lang naman. Just here the clip. There you go. Get the unit adapter as well. And here the clip. You're going to be attaching the exhaust hose to the back of our AC. And attach that to the back of your AC. As we attach our exhaust hose to our window slider. And attach your hose. Ta-da! Once you are done with the workout, all you gotta do is plug and play using the remote control. Konting akin na lang. May naghihintay pa kasi ng aircon na to eh.
Welcome to the Bea House Tour using the new Carrier portable aircon. Let's go!
Kaya namin ang tinanggal ko. Ayan. Influencer. Paano medyo mainit yung aircon? Let's go. Portable na, may remote pa. Next location, let's go. Tali yung aircon. 1.5 horsepower. 12,600 cooling capacity. Different places, different spaces. Lalo yung mga hotspot sa bahay, kayang-kayang palamigin.
Just plug, play, and pass out.